I have this 16-inch unfinished round, and I'm going to start by painting it in some Wise Owl Snow Owl, and I gave this one really good coat. I let it dry, and I printed from my computer some shapes. You could freehand this, or you can just use wood shapes as well, but I have 2 hearts, and I'm going to trace those toward the top of the board, leaving a few inches from the top. I have a carrot nose and a smile face. And again, you can freehand this template. You can use some wood cutouts left over from Valentine's Day and Easter. Or you could find some shapes and print them from your computer. I then went through and painted the heart eyes with some mixture of Republic Red and Snow Owl to make this pretty pink. And then I went in the nose with some Wise Owl Mandarina. And I'm just using a very small art brush. You can even use some paint markers. And then I did black for the mouth. I let this dry, and I went through and did any touch-ups that were needed. I then took my black paint marker, and I just outlined around the mouth, the carrot nose. I felt like this just gave it a nice, clean finish. And then both of the eyes. I then used the paint marker to just add a little more detail to my carrot nose to make it look more like a carrot. Next, I have some greenery. I get this from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take 2 branches from the spray and glue them toward the top left side of the board. I'm using hot glue to hold it in place. I made this bow. It was very simple. I just left a little tail at the end, and then I started looping it. I would do a loop to the left and bunch it in the center, a loop to the right and bunch it in the center. And I repeated that until I had 4 loops on each side, and then I just used some floral wire to hold it together. A wired ribbon always helps because then you can kind of fluff it up and manipulate kind of where you want those pieces to be. I glued that in the center of the greenery, and then I trimmed my tails on the end. With my pinking shears, it gives it a nice, clean, finished look. I glued a red sparkly pom-pom in the center of the bow. And there you go, nice and simple. I think this came out so cute. I hope you give it a try. ChalkItUpFancy.com for other tutorials, our unfinished cutouts, and our monthly subscription. Thank you so much.